Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 8 hours, we have experienced a really strong outflow of cash from majority of the crypto market, and there's only one driving factor, and that's the panic. The panic due to one of the largest trading platforms in the crypto industry being hacked. Bybit lost 70% of its Ethereum holding to a hacker group. The hacker group is claimed to be from North Korea, and this was confirmed by the CEO. At the same time, to give you perspective, this is the biggest ever crypto heist that's taken place, and the hackers have stolen about $1.5 billion from the exchange, and the exchange is trying their best to get as much loans to repay their customers. At the same time, Franklin files S1 for its spot Solana ETF, and this is going to be huge for Solana once the market starts recovering. SEC ends the investigation into OpenSea, potentially boosting the NFT and Web 3.0 growth, and mainland China courts rule crypto as no legal currency or protection status in investor dispute. So this could mean crypto is in the air and there would be no government protection that can be claimed in China for crypto. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it, the user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now right now, I know a lot of you guys might be in a really strong panic situation, and that's very justifiable because if you just look at the overall market, that includes, I'm not just talking about crypto market, that actually includes stock market, currency market, everything actually went into a panic situation. It's not all due to the Bybit hack. Obviously crypto market was heavily affected, but there was definitely a lot of things happening on the back end. First of all, let me tell you how this is going to be pretty much causing a lot of problems. First of all, how was this hack done? Well, first flagged by on-chain and other high-profile accounts on Friday, saw over 400,000 Ethereum suspiciously leave Bybit's cold wallet before rapidly being swapped into staked M Ethereum and ST Ethereum token for Ethereum. The security went into panic, and let me tell you one thing, a lot of money was stolen in a very short period of time. After that, Bybit has come out and given a statement that they are going to be trying their best to get as much loans as possible to pretty much repay their customers as quickly as possible. And this was one of the largest, if not the largest, crypto heist that's ever taken place. And you know what's the worst part? It's very hard to get to the criminals and get the money back, which is a little bit scary. And Franklin officially files the spot Solana ETF. Now everyone's been talking about XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin ETFs coming out, but the one that seems to be the closest are the two, XRP and Solana. One thing that you do need to pay attention to if you want to make sure that you are able to stay ahead of this curve is you need to be able to make the most profit when the market starts recovering, because if you just look at the way the market is reacting, you can see that the panic started in pretty much at this location, and then it was able to find a little bit of support for Dogecoin close to 23 cents. On the other end, if we look at Bitcoin did actually go into a panic situation where it fell all the way back down to 95,000, but now it's able to recover just above 96. That means we're back into the demand zone. This should give you perspective that the bulls are still controlling the market. This is pretty much like a panic situation which happened, which caused a lot of people to sell. And if you look at the open interest, you can see it's down about 7%, and that's due to the fact a lot of people were liquidated. Close to $80 million was lost in short liquidations. And just to give you perspective, you can see that this was the time where Bitcoin actually went above 99,000, which was the demand zone breaking, but straight after we did experience a really strong pullback due to the hacking that took place. Now 927 billion was wiped out of the US stock market today, recording its worst day of 2025. Now this should give you perspective. We are on pace for the worst economy and heading into the greatest recession in the US history. And let me tell you one thing, the way everything is playing out, there is a chance that we might be seeing a recession very soon. And let me tell you another important thing, every time a recession or anything hits, well, you know that crypto is going to be in an interesting state. Now, food for thought. The Solana unlocks next week are said to be more than twice the size of Bybit's official hack. Double the size, and that's why, if you have been paying attention to the Solana's price, it's been struggling, and the reason for that is a lot of people are expecting the open is going to cause a lot more flooding of the total supply, and if the supply is going to be increasing rapidly, that's obviously going to be affecting the price because it just goes by demand and supply. Now, pro crypto Cash officially sworn in as a FBI director. That's another big deal. I mean, Trump was trying to get more and more people in who are going to be pro crypto, but seeing another one in is actually very surprising. And this statement was also shocking. Russian President Putin calls for a partner with Elon Musk to advance the technology development. This is huge. Now, we all know that Elon could be a key role for Trump every single time, but the Russian president actually mentioning Elon and trying to get some sort of partnership going already says a big deal. Now, getting into a little bit of more details, Bybit hack aftermath. Single whale liquidated for 46 million as Bitcoin dumps by 4,000. Now, this should give you perspective because this whale would most likely be expecting the entire crypto market to start doing well, as Bitcoin was able to climb from the demand zone and get out of it, expecting a really strong rally upwards, maybe went long. And let me tell you one thing, the market cap dropping by 150 billion, this whale lost $46 million in a single trade. At the same time, whales bought over 20 million XRP just in the last 24 hours. As you know, there was a little bit of a dip. SEC faces critical deadline in major crypto cases as agency shifts direction. Right now, SEC is definitely trying to support crypto as much as possible and get over as many problems as possible and get the cases completed. And that can also be seen by this. COINBASE says full dismissal of SEC lawsuit is imminent. I mean, this should give you perspective that COINBASE is expecting SEC to favor the crypto side, and that's why there is so many good things happening towards crypto. And analysts predict Dogecoin price after the breakout from the borrowing phase. Well, right now there is a lot of volatility that's happening, and obviously the traders are going to make good money, but overall before end of 2025 we're still going to be experiencing a positive upwards trend, which a lot of us are waiting for. Let me tell you one thing, the way the market shifts downwards, the same thing can happen upward in a really short period of time, and Dogecoin faces a challenge that might limit the breakout potential despite the recent well activity. Overall, this is just a panic situation which is going to recover very quickly. You don't need to panic. If you are uncertain what to do, honestly, just put your phone down, go do something else for a little bit. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion. At the end of the day, it's your money. Do your own research and do your own decisions. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.